Hi, my name's Erin, this is Valley, and today we are going to be working through a 10-minute class that you can do to help with your digestive system. And so we're going to get started off straight away in an easy seated position. For you, that might be on your bed or on the mat or even on a block. You can sit up tall. This is just a short yin class to help with digestion. I'll be reading affirmations to help you anchor your mind. Sit up tall, take your deep breaths all the way through the nose down to your belly, allowing the belly to balloon on the inhale and soften on the exhale. You can open your eyes and let's get straight away onto our backs. Our first affirmation is, my intuition always guides me. You can have your block with you and you can do the poses on the block or without. The first pose is you're going to be into your wind relieving position. This helps with the digestion. Bring your right knee in towards your chest or your shoulder. And take long, deep inhales. My intuition is always guiding me. Tuck your chin towards your chest. You want to have both shoulders flat to the mat. My intuition is always guiding me. My intuition is always guiding me. And the thing is with yin yoga is you get into a pose, you hold it for a few minutes, and you just be still. My intuition is always guiding me. And you can release both feet flat to the mat. And drop your knees from side to side. You can take your arms out in a cactus motion. And then bring your left knee in towards your chest. Give yourself a nice hug. Your knee will either go towards your shoulder or onto your chest. Depends. We've all got different body shapes. You can leave your right knee anchored to the mat, or you can extend your leg long. I move my body because I like the vitality it brings. I move my body because I like the vitality it brings. Long, deep inhale and longer exhale. I move my body because I like the vitality it brings. And slowly, slowly release that leg. Take both feet flat to the mat. Drop your knees from side to side. You can cactus your arms or have them straight out at a T. Scoot your hips a little bit over towards the left. Drop your knees over towards the right. If your knees are not reaching the mat, then take a block and just have it, your knees supported on the block. You want to make sure both shoulders still stay flat on the mat. When challenges arise, I stay anchored in hope. When challenges arise, I stay anchored in hope. When challenges arise, I stay anchored in hope. If you want to go a little bit deeper, you can take your top leg and wind it over your bottom leg. When challenges arise, I stay anchored in hope. If your legs are bound, you can unbind them. Take both feet flat to the mat. Take your feet mat width apart. Drop your knees over to the one side. Then take them back up to center and drop them over to the other side. Then take them back up to center, heel toe them together again, and then drop your knees over to the other side, towards the left, and then you can look forward, over, look up, straight up towards the ceiling, towards the left, same way as your knees, or you can turn your head and look over your extended right arm. Whatever feels good for you. I trust that my life is unfolding exactly as it should. I trust that my life is unfolding exactly as it should. And take your breath all the way down to the belly. Allow it to balloon on the inhale and soften on the exhale. And we're breathing in and out through our nose. I trust that my life is unfolding exactly as it should. I trust that my life is unfolding exactly as it should. You can bring both knees back up to center again. Give yourself a nice little hug here. Rock a little bit from side to side. You can go into happy baby if you want, taking the soles of the feet towards the ceiling. Hold on behind your knees or on the outside of your feet. Tuck your chin towards your chest. And then slowly, slowly straighten your legs. Take up as much space on your mat as you like. And come into your final resting pose, Shavasana. Allow the body to be nice and heavy here. And then you can bring some movement to your fingers and your toes, wrists and ankles, and extend your arms up overhead. Stretch your body long, and then roll over onto one side. Cradle your head with your bent arm. And then slowly, slowly make yourself back into an easy seated position. You can be in lotus or half lotus or just sitting tall. Take your hands up overhead, interlace your fingers, bring your hands down onto your chest with your thumbs facing up. This is a lovely confidence mudra. Close your eyes, take your long, deep inhale. And then take your hands back up over your head into a prayer position through your third eye, to your lips, and to your heart. The inner light in me bows and honors to the inner light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you found this little practice useful, and you have a beautiful day further.